Today, I'm going to show you how to make clear ice 2 different ways. There's nothing better than going out to dinner and having a nice drink with your meal. For me, that would be an old fashioned. But one thing that really gets my goat is when that drink comes back and it's in a glass like this with ice like this. Cloudy chunks of ice. And if I'm spending $13 on a drink, I want clear ice. To make clear ice, you need one of 2 things. Either a small cooler like this or a contraption like this. I will be testing the ice with my favorite glass, my #1 dad glass, because I'm the #1 dad. I won the contest. So how does clear ice work? You fill a cooler with water and then you put it in the freezer. What happens is called directional freezing. It's the same way that lakes are frozen in the wintertime. The other way you can make clear ice is by using a silicone mold like this. I'm sure that a lot of you have seen molds before, like when you want to make the Death Star, something like that. It's just a little top and a bottom, you put water in it. Same thing here. You've got this silicone mold shaped into 2 spheres, but it works the same way as the cooler. This bucket is bigger than this mold. So when you put the water in, all the impurities sink through these little holes, collect down here and freeze, and what you're left with is just pure clear ice inside the mold. All right, I think it's time to see how the whiskey does. I got my Sagamore rye. I'm coming to you from Maryland, and so Sagamore is our distillery of choice here in Maryland. I'm gonna pour some of this over and show you the glamour shots after. Look at how beautiful that presentation is. This is what you want at a restaurant. You don't want cloudy ice. You don't want chunks of ice. You want clear spheres and clear cubes. A little bit of whiskey for the #1 dad. Cheers.